Now we will study the ionization constant of weak bases. Okay, if suppose we have a base, okay, so for example NH4OH is there, we define the base as the bases which use the OH minus ions in aqueous solution. Then the basis is called as the base according to the RNA. Okay, NaOH is also gives the OH minus ions, it is also a base. When you add in water, it gives the OH minus, Na plus and the OH minus ions. Okay, therefore those bases which gives the OH minus ions is considered as a basis. Okay, now weak basis means what? Weak basis means the which dissociates in a less in quantity. Okay, as like the strong electrolyte and the weak electrolyte, we seen that in weak electrolyte it gives the less ions. Okay, so same way the weak basis is the basis which gives the less amount of OH minus ions. Okay, therefore we have a common example is there, which is a weak base. We consider as a weak base. That is a B stand for our base, and it gives the B plus and OH minus ions. Okay, it gives, that is B plus and the OH minus. Okay, therefore it is a base. It gives the OH minus ions. Therefore it is a base. Okay, and that is a cation. Cation. This is the OH minus, that is hydroxy ions. Okay, this OH minus also called as the hydroxy. Okay, hydrogen is there, therefore hydro, and oxygen is there, hydroxy ion. Okay, and it is a negative charge base is also called as the anions. Okay, anions, that is the negative charge base. Okay, therefore by applying law of equilibrium, okay, law of equilibrium is also studied for the acids. Law of equilibrium is given by for the base. Okay, therefore Kb, okay, we directly use the Kb is equal to concentration of B plus, and that is cation, and concentration of hydroxy ions divided by the undissociated base. Okay, that is our ionization constant for the base. B stand for the base. Okay, the Kb, when you see the Kb, it means the ionization constant of base. Okay, Km is the ionization constant of acid. Okay, now Kb is defined for bases. It is a it is a concentration of ions and divided by the undissociated molecule or undissociated compound. This undissociated compound. Therefore, it is can be defined as it is product of. Okay, in base definitely OH minus is produced. Therefore, this common what we have taken as in acid we have defined as the ionization constant is a product of H plus ions and the anion divided by the undissociated ions. Okay, like that way it is a product of hydroxy ions. Okay, hydroxy ions has the negative charge. Product of hydroxy ion and cation B, that is V plus means your cation, plus value substance plus value ions is called as the cation, and cation divided by undissociated molecules. Okay, undissociated molecule, that is undissociated BOH. This is the definition for the ionization constant of bases. Okay, now we have one weak base. Okay, NH4OH is a weak base. Okay, the word weak base means it produces the less ions in aqueous solutions. Okay, therefore it produces the NH4 plus and OH minus. Okay, it produces cation and the OH minus in water. Okay, now the initial concentration, okay, at the start concentration of NH4OH, that is ammonium hydroxide, is 0 and no dissociation at the start, no dissociation, and slowly as time passes we obtain the dissociation. Okay, final dissociation, final concentration after some time, initial concentration and the final concentration. After some times, C alpha and C alpha ions dissociate. Okay, the value of C alpha from we obtain. This obtain alpha is given by the formula, that is a number of or concentration of ionized ions divided by the undissociated molecule concentration. Okay, sorry, total molecules. Okay, that is our alpha is equal to concentration of unionized ions and the total concentration of our base. Okay, therefore total concentration at the start was the C, therefore alpha concentration of ionized ions upon, that is total concentration is C, therefore C into alpha is nothing but the concentration of ionized ions, therefore C alpha is equal to concentration of ionized ions. Okay, therefore we after some times we obtain the ionized ions is equal to C alpha and the C alpha. Okay, initial concentration C, therefore C is the initial concentration, after some time it dissociates into C alpha, therefore C minus C alpha is nothing but the final concentration of NH4OH at some time, therefore CC common C 1 minus alpha, that is the concentration after some time of our weak base. Now we have law of equilibrium. Okay, according to this we have Kb, we have previously given by Kb is a concentration of hydroxy ions and the cation divided by the NH4OH. Okay, multiplication of these plus cation and multiplication of hydroxy ions upon, okay, concentration of NH4 plus and OH minus upon NH4OH, that is the equilibrium constant law. NH4 plus concentration and OH minus concentration divided by the concentration of NH4OH. Okay, by putting the values, okay, in this concentration of after some time NH4OH is C alpha, concentration of OH minus after some time is a C alpha, therefore C alpha into C alpha upon concentration of NH4OH is the, that is C 1 minus alpha. Okay, the one of the C is a cancel, therefore you obtain the C alpha square 1 minus alpha, that is the Kb. Okay, the degree of the ionization constant, B stand for the base, K is the ionization constant, therefore Kb is the ionization constant of base. Okay, like that way we by initial concentration and by knowing the alpha we can find out the ionization constant for bases. Okay, this is all about the ionization constant of weak base. Thank you very much.